Hi Anshu, how are you?
Hi, sir. I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm also good, thank you. Thank you Anshu for joining on time.
Uh, Thank you
Yeah,
so much
yeah,
for doing that.
yeah. Okay, Anshu, can you introduce about yourself, about your education background? What's your current role and responsibility in your current object?
Yeah, sure. Hi, myself Anshu, and I am a front-end developer with experience of 1.5 years. And right now I'm working in team of society in Mohali, Chandigarh. And I have done my MCA from Punjab University, Chandigarh.
Mm-hmm.
And my basic tech stacks are React, Next.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and I have studied in Tailwind, Bootstrap also, and I have also knowledge about Redux. That's it, sir.
Okay. So have you worked on Redux any project?
No, like I have done my project with the Zoostan, but I have knowledge about Redux also.
Okay, you have just knowledge, not the hands-on work
Yes,
experience.
yes,
And
sir.
what about React? How much experience?
About 1.5 years in React.
Okay, overall also 1.5.
Yes.
So have you worked any class component?
Initially, I worked on a class component too, but after in my internship, but after some time after internship, and I have worked on function component only.
Yes, actually, its class component is going to depreciate in next 1 or 2
Yes,
years. Okay,
yes, sir.
and, that's good. So we can start with HTML, CSS first, then we will move to JavaScript and HTML. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, start with the HTML question first. What's the difference between link and import for including CSS?
Um, Link and import. Link is used for the in the like meta tags and header, and import basically use import. I think is a can be used in the JS or React. I don't know about the HTML.
In CSS, if you want to install import Bootstrap and Tailwind CSS, then you will put
Okay,
at the
yes,
rate
we
import.
can use. Yes, we can use there and with the same command also.
So what's the difference? Where any benefit to use link or any benefit to use import? Any idea you know?
No, don't have any idea about this.
Actually, the link is more faster in compared to at the rate include. The link is more
Okay.
benefit as compared to import. Okay, no problem. What's the difference between inline CSS or external CSS?
In CSS, we have to use CSS in the elements like
Mhm.
in the attributes, and in external CSS, we have to make external CSS in the external file and link to with the HTML or React wherever we want to use. And
Mhm.
on priority wise, in inline have greater priority than external
Mhm.
or internal.
Okay. And what's the difference between semantic and non-semantic HTML tag?
Um, the tags which have their own meaning are called semantic tags, and other one are like non-semantic tags. And in semantic tags, we can achieve SEO, and this can also can help in screen reader also, like something that cannot be able to see the web page, and also take the advantage of semantic tags with the screen reader. And examples of semantic tags are article, header, navbar, and non-semantic tags are div, p tag, paragraph tag, button. That's it.
Okay. So, can you give me some specific, what is the CSS specificity? Have you heard this name?
Specifically, yeah, I have heard about this.
What's the rule of
Mm,
CSS actually? Which one is high priority, which one is less priority?
uh, in the types like inline, internal,
Like,
external.
like if I use internal, if I use ID, if I use class, which
Yes,
one is
yes.
highest priority?
In CSS, I have priority then internal and external. And
Mhm.
if I use ID with the CSS,
Okay.
then it gives priority before the class attributes. And
Mhm.
ID is a unique attribute, like we have to we can only declare one ID, and class can be multiple,
Okay.
and
So which one is
like
which one is highest priority?
ID has a highest priority.
Okay, ID has ID. Yes, correct. What's the difference between Flexbox and CSS Grid?
Both Flexbox and CSS Grid are both layouts used in the CSS. And
Hmm.
Flexbox can be used for the one-dimensional
Okay.
styling, and Grid can be used as two-dimensional styling.
Okay. So and what's the difference between uh, the CSS Unity? You use percentage EM, REM.
Yes. Uh,
What is it?
like we have normally four units, like it's a pixel, passing
Hmm.
EM, ARIA, and pixel is a PS is like a simple styling unit, and like we can give like width but pixel, like it's about 100%, it will be about percentage to the parent component that we have. Suppose we have um, give the 100% to the parent, and like we are giving child 50%, it will take 50 pixel to in the child, and
Okay.
EM also will be work like parent component, and REM will be root. It will be related to the root HTML.
Okay, correct. And what about the positioning, relative, absolute, and fixed position? What is the difference?
Uh, in position, relative, absolute, and fixed. In a relative, suppose we have a relative position, it's a relative to its own itself. Like if we give the relative to its box, then it will be a relative position to itself. And if we declare the absolute position in the box, sorry, in the child of the each parent, like it's parent one has a relative position and child one has a absolute position.
Okay.
Then child will be absolute to its a relative parent, and we can move we can move like margin like left and right to its relative uh, parent,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
it's like a relative to its root element.
Okay, so you means fixed is like static and fixed are the same. Stick.
Static s- static is the default positioning.
Hmm.
Like no fixed we fixed like it's like a, as the name suggests, it's like fixed. We cannot move it
Hmm.
to any direction.
And
And
sticky is a fixed for some place itself.
uh, yeah, sticky can be fixed if the store bar is downward, and it can be stick to that where we have to position. Suppose
Okay.
it's like a navbar or it's like an ad
Yes.
somewhere in the website.
Yes, correct. And okay, let me move to the JavaScript part again then. What's the
Yes.
difference between asynchronous and synchronous Java operation, JavaScript operation?
Um, JavaScript is basically synchronous behavior,
Hmm.
and it's like a only synchronous, but it can be asynchronous behavior also with the browser APIs.
Hmm.
And we can move event loop for making it asynchronous. Like we have to call the API, and it's since it's like a synchronous, we can
Hmm.
call the API. So that API is taking some time to fetch from the backend. So we have to make it asynchronous
Hmm.
to fetch the API, and it will go to the I think code stack view. Yeah, it will go to the code stack view if the file is like API is asynchronous, and after they successfully getting the API or response, we can make it asynchronous and show the data to the web page.
Okay, so any life cycle they are using to run the asynchronous call?
Life
So
cycle life cycle
like
or something else.
no, no, I
Event
want
loop.
which one is responsible to run the asynchronous JavaScript code?
Event loop.
So what's the I want to know okay how event loop work.
Uh, Mainly Venture has a I think yeah, four stacks. And number one is callback. And
Hmm.
in the callback, it's like all the synchronous behavior will be executed. And for the synchronous, we have two different stacks. It's like uh, number one is call stack, and second one is mainly I think mainly macro task two.
Yes, two
And
previously.
in promise will be micro task two and set time out like timer set time out set 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 interval will be macro task twos. And
Okay.
after the execution, it will be go to the call stack of the event two and shown on
Okay.
the screen.
So if we have one asynchronous operation, two synchronous operation, which one is run first?
Uh, Synchronous operation.
If asynchronous task is very lightweight, means it will be run very fast. In this case, what
Yeah,
will be same output is the same.
then yeah, synchronous. Like suppose we have a synchronous and a synchronous. Like in a synchronous, we have a set time out and delay will be zero. It's like a 0 millisecond, which is very fast. Since we will have it will event will execute first synchronous then asynchronous.
Okay. What's the difference between shallow copy and deep copy?
Shall copy and B copy. If we have to copy the object, then
Mhm.
uh, like um, uh, like in shadow copy, the object will be copied from its upper in layer only, and in the copy, it will be copied pasted in the object.
Okay. Hmm. Have you worked currying function?
Yes.
What is it? And why is it
Mm,
used?
Currying function is like a function in which a function call its inner function. Like we have a function and we don't have the value how much time that how it will be executed since suppose we have some more parameters like 2 3 4 and
Hmm.
over one we can make it very function so that it will be handle some more parameters like
Hmm.
it can be one or something else 3 4 also.
So what's the basic real use currying function?
um Real use and don't know about this.
Okay, no problem. Can you write console
First,
log?
yeah,
Sorry, can you write console log?
yeah, sure.
Within console log, the what is type of NaN?
It will be a number.
Okay, why it's number if NaN is not a number?
Um, since before the ECMAScript, I think, since
Hmm.
on the launching of script, it was the local that it can be, we can say it's like a bug. And since many of the websites have been built, so they have not changed it.
Okay, if we compare NaN is equal to NaN, what's the output then?
And then go to,
It's true
I
or
think it will
false?
be false. It will be false.
Why? Any idea?
Since any reference, different reference,
Okay, because of different reference. Okay, got it.
it can be, I think.
It's okay, it's false. And console log within array 1 to 3, right? Within console log. Inside console log, array 1 to 3 plus array 4 5 6.
It will be array 4,
Mhm.
5, 6.
Yes.
It will be like plus is a concatenate variable operator and it will be 1, 2, 34, 5, 6, and all is will be same.
Okay. Can you zoom it some your screen one more time?
Yeah,
Yes, correct.
because
Okay. Why is it string? You are saying string.
uh, since it's a concatenate operators plus is the concatenate operator, and it
Okay.
will merge the two arrays.
Okay. Concatenation is okay. If we concatenate, it's look like 1, 2, 34, 5, and 6.
34, 5,
But,
6, yes.
but that is okay. But why array converted it into a string?
Um, I think it's like with the behavior of concatenation.
Okay. You are sure it's a changes to string, correct?
Yes, it
Yes,
will be.
correct. Okay. If we compare false is equal to 0, like string 0.
Yeah,
So
a
what is
double equal to.
it? A double is equal to.
Yeah, it will be a true,
If we do it triple equal to.
and it will be false.
Okay. Why? False.
Since double equal to changes the type and version, and make it will be make as false equal to false, and triple equal to both type and value will be compared to both ends.
Yes, correct. Uh, can you write how set timeout in syntax? I want to know.
Yeah, sure.
Mhm.
Set time set. Oh, sorry. Set timeout,
Mhm.
and it will be call the function, and
Mhm.
we have to give the delay, and in this we can be implement the logic like
O-
I will give the console. Yeah,
Okay, if we put set timeout inside any loop, like if we have a loop to run 0 to 3, so
yeah.
what's
Suppose we will
mhm,
make it a for loop like 0
mhm,
and I is less than
3
3,
I
I
plus I plus
plus
plus.
plus. Yes,
So
and set timeout.
if we copy set timeout all function inside it, so what's the output? What do you think?
If it's um,
Inside console log you will
it
put I. Within console log you will
will
put I.
I it will be 0, 1, 2. Yeah,
Mm,
it is 0, 1, 2.
okay, run it.
And sorry
Run your
on
code,
that. Yeah,
please. Mhm.
yeah, yeah. It is,
If we change 0 to 100, not
this
that 0, the duration, a second,
okay.
then
The output will be same 0, 1, 2.
okay, can you
It
run
will be
it again?
same 0,
Can
1,
you
2.
run it again?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, one more question. If let x is equal to 1 to 3 within array and y is spread operator dot x within array. Okay, please write down.
1, 2, 3.
And
And y
let y is equal to within array dot x. If we
like
put y dot push in next line, y dot push 4
y dot push 4
4. If I console x comma y, what is the output?
comma y.
What is the
Um,
output?
since it's a spread operator and y 1, 2, 3. X will be like a 1, 2, 3 only,
Mhm.
and in Y it will be like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay,
I,
is it shallow copy functionality is using or
uh,
deep copy?
it's a shallow copy.
Okay. Are you sure it is correct? X is equal to 1 to 3 and y is equal to 1 to 3 4.
Um,
Reference is not copy.
the reference will also in spread operator. I think it will be a shallow copy. Like
Mhm.
And on push, yeah, I think it's a shallow copy.
Okay, run it.
Yes, let me.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, it's one,
Mm.
two, three, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes. Okay, then we will move to the React.js part. And okay,
Yes.
but, no, no, compiler is fine.
Um,
That is there, no problem. I
okay,
don't. I'm just asking the theoretical one. Then after that, we will
okay, okay.
go to the logical, some long type of logical question.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, what is React fragment and why I use them?
Um, React fragments. Since the React returns only object, and since object is like a function, and uh, we have when we return, we can only return a single value. And suppose we have to return multiple components and more multiple variables, we have to use one single. We have to use fragments to make it one single element.
Okay, so we can replace div to fragment in future, or div is having
Um,
on their benefit or on their.
no, they were long term benefits. Like it's
Mhm.
suppose we have to use the attributes like class, styling, class name. We can use in the div, and we cannot be used in the fragments.
Okay, okay. What's the difference between shallow copy and deep? Sorry, what's the so which React version you are using?
I am using right now the React 18, but I am studying about React 19 also.
Okay, React 19 you are studying. Okay, what's the
Yes.
difference between use memo and use callback?
Use memory, use callback. Both are memorization hooks introduced in the React functional component. And in use memo, we can memorize the value.
Hmm.
And in use callback, we can memorize the expensive functions. Like we have to we have a large function, and it will be a for loop like lakh or crore numbers, and it will be go to the crore. And suppose if the value is not being changed, we can make it in the use callback if the value is same. And if value is different, the whole component will be re-rendered to make it performance of we use it to make it performance optimization.
If we have use memo to memorize the full component, then why we use the use callback?
Like it's a React memo. Are you talking about React memo?
Yeah, React memo is there.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
is
yeah,
implement full component itself. So then no
yeah.
sense to use callback.
Since a use callback memorize the function and
Hmm.
use and React memo memorize the component itself. And
Hmm.
you can say about component is also a function, but if we have only a function like it's returning something that cannot be it's only JS file, and we can use it to make it memorize in use callback.
It's
Like
basically.
it's a very
Mhm.
it's a very expensive calculation. Then we can make it.
It's a complex the complex function we can implement use callback if the
Yes,
calculation is more complex. Okay.
yes,
Okay, what are the use of suspension and React lazy? Suspense and
yeah,
React lazy.
yes. Um, React Lazy can be used if the
Mhm.
um, to make it a performance optimization. Like we have to render some component in the UI, and it will taking up some time, and it will uh, it will decrease the performance, and we can use React Lazy to make it lazy of the components so that it will be rendered after the painful of the page. And in the meantime, the page has to be shown some loading or anything. that we can use suspense in, and in this attribute we can use fallback as a diff and show the loading before the lazy of the component.
Okay. Mm, Basically, suspension is code splitting, and React lazy is like lazy
Yes.
loading itself. Okay,
Yes.
correct. How have you used Next.js also?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how do you implement authentication in Next.js?
In Next.js, we can implement in the middleware also, or
Mm-hmm.
and for like it's a, like a backend term. Backend will
Mm-hmm.
give us authorization key that it will give us token, and we can implement token in the middleware or cookies or session storage also. And with this token, we can make the API code.
Okay. Have you worked IESR in Next.js?
No, but I have knowledge about this.
What is it? What's the full form, firstly?
For static rendering, I think, yeah,
Incremental
yeah,
static
incremental static rendering.
regeneration. Okay. Okay, no problem. We cannot go deep dive in this topic. Let's move to the other one. What's the higher order component in React?
Uh, High order component, it's like a um, yeah, high order component are is like a function that takes some argument as a function and returns a um, changeable or changeable function. And example of higher order function in the React itself is the map function.
Okay. So that can change the output for the original function, or that is just manipulate.
We can manipulate the function.
Okay. What's the difference between Context API and Redux?
Um, Context API is basically a built-in hook, built-in API. Not it's not a hook. We can use context hook. Context API is basically a global statement management tool in the React, and Redux is the global state management tool in the React. With but it's a library. We have to include it externally, and uh, if we have a small website, we can use
Mhm.
the context API, and if we
Mhm.
have the large website like e-commerce platform, we can use the Redux.
So,
But in Redux, we have to also implement the context API since it's a built-in function in the React, and we cannot make it global state uh, without the context API.
okay. So have you used Context API also somewhere in
Yes, sir.
personal project?
Yes,
And so which one
yes.
is simple as compared to you?
Context API is much simpler than Redux.
Have you used Redux toolkit?
Yeah, I'm studying about this.
That is more
But
simple than to Context API also.
okay, but I
Mhm.
have worked on the those and also with my
Mhm.
projects.
Actually, React is also recommend to use Redux toolkit. So
Yes.
meanwhile, in future, Redux is going to be depreciate in future. Okay, not now. Most of project is already use Redux, so that's the things. Okay, no problem. You have just little bit knowledge of Redux, or you have a deep knowledge?
I have some little bit knowledge, right? I'm studying about it right now.
Okay, any architecture knowledge? How the architecture work in Redux?
Yeah, it's like in Redux we have something like three or four functions,
Mm-hmm.
and it's like when we update any state or any variable,
Mm-hmm.
then the dispatch function will take it to the store, and in the store we have action, and in action we'll take the function, take the parameter like it's incremental or decremental,
Mm-hmm.
and uh, it will pass on to the reducer function, reducer hook. That and the reducer, it I think. Um, it changes the it implements the logic inside it, and it stores in the store, and it changes in the store with the variables, and
Okay.
then we can also use in the UI.
Okay. So, okay, that's fine. So, okay, let me start with a logical question again. That is, write a function to like flatten nested array. If we have nested array something, how to flatten it?
In the JavaScript also.
Oh, yeah, JavaScript itself.
Yeah, nested, yes. Nested about.
Nested array, anything, any digits, like one, two, then one more array you can write four, five, like this, four comma five.
Yes.
Okay, I need to flatten this array.
Mm, yeah, and we have a function like it's a, I think it's a, like a flat function.
Yes, that function also we have, but we can do it from for loop also.
Yes. Um, with the for loop, and here for loop.
Generally,
Like,
generally I'm asking four question in real interview scenario. So if someone gives two answer is correct, then that is the selection criteria. In for me also and other company also.
um, it will be return if we only return the array with the flat. Um, I think it's like a flat array. I forget the name about function.
Okay, you can take help flat array. How does it work? We can use internet, no problem.
Okay, thank you.
Generally, just check only flat array. How is it work?
Uh, flat map. No, it will be a like um, flat array. Sorry.
Mhm. Method is just dot flat itself, no problem.
Yeah, it's flat.
No, it's not. Oh, that is
Yeah,
you
with that.
can okay. That is you can take help from internet, so this will not count it. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
thank
Let
you.
me move to the other one. If you have characters of string, I need to count if A is coming two times, B is coming one time, C is coming zero time, like this. If you have any,
Okay, we can use the frequency. So, like it's an object or array?
it's
Which
a simple
object
string.
will be?
It's a simple string. It's a simple string
It's
like
the
my
simple
name.
string. What okay.
Yeah, my name is Anshu. I need to know okay, how many characters coming, how many times. Frequency of character I'm writing.
And in follow, that will be zero. Less than str length, and I will be plus plus. Since it's string is also a type of array, and str we can use it. Um, we can store str5. Yes, we have str is there. We can make frequency of 1. Okay. str array. Like we have to return the frequency or unique items.
No, I want A is coming from one time, B is coming from zero times, C is coming from one time. Like in your case, A is coming one, N is coming one, like this. If AANSHU, तो A is coming two times.
Yes. Mm, frequency is zero and if it's str and str, we can mm, I think we have to be
Firstly, I think firstly you need to split your string into array part. Then only it's just a suggestion.
okay. We have to make it array like object
Mm.
or only array.
Oh, you can give me anytime, anyway. Array itself, object itself, anyway.
Um, yeah. Okay.
Even you can use reduce also. Within reduce, you can also do it.
Yes, we can also use the reset. Okay. Okay. Um, array reducer. It's like a accumulator. Current. We can use store in the object and accumulator will be if the current is equal to accumulator, we can maybe um,
Okay, no problem. You can. Okay, I will ask one more question. Reverse the string. If you have any string ANSHU, I need to reverse UHSNA. How do you do?
okay. This is and
No, no, don't use
include.
this reverse method.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Mhm.
So, we can start from the last, and last will be last year. Event and I is numerator equal to I minus minus. Um, load. I think it's still I let me check it.
Mhm. So,
Yes.
yes, correct. Okay, the last question is find the second largest number in array. If you have any
Uh,
array, so I want to know second largest number.
for the for loop or just with the sort function.
No, 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 don't use.
Yeah.
You can write one array above itself, no?
Oh
Within.
yes. One, two, three. Find the last.
Yeah.
Largest.
Second
Second as
largest.
largest.
Yes.
Then we get largest number.
Like second largest is three.
Yes. Firstly, we have to make it like unique. Um, unique. um, and still- and it will be a 1, 2, 3, 5. Um, less than equal to still length and distance. Um, if um, if the unit of pi is
Mhm.
is less than um, if this is less than I have to store in the if it's like I think it's like a then I can store in the array
Yeah.
and array dot push um, unit of file. Let us check if it's done. Um,
You use const.
after I guess. Um, okay. 1, 2, 3, 5. Then we can return the array of array length minus 1. And no. It's like a 2.
No, that's not the thing. You just uh, manipulate the string length. That is not the way. No problem. That's okay. Okay. So overall interview is completed, and according to me, you need some more do some logical part. Work on your logical part. I recommend to use Leet
Yeah,
code.
sure.
Leet code is the best way to logically improve your logical skill and all. Theoretical wise, you are good. If you are going to interview somewhere, the theory, your theoretical things are is good. You need more work on React advanced topic also. If you have any chance to go with the React 19, React 19 has having a lot of hooks, new hooks introduced. So you just deep
Yes.
dive on it, and also Redux. Redux, you need to do it
Sure.
again. Okay, everything is good according to me. Just brush up these things. Huh?
Yeah, sure. I will work on this.
Yeah, thank you, Anshu. Then.